In this video, you'll learn how to place buttons side by side in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your email designs effectively. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you are on the homepage, you will see the dashboard with various options displayed. Next, locate and click on the Create button, which can be found near the top of the dashboard. This action will take you to a new page where you can choose the type of campaign to create. After clicking, wait for the new options to load completely before moving on. After that, select the replicate option for the campaign you want to modify. This will create a copy of the existing campaign, allowing you to make changes without affecting the original. Confirm that the new campaign has loaded by checking the title at the top of the screen. Once this appears, click on Design Email to enter the email editor. In this section, you will have access to various design tools. Ensure that the email design interface is displayed before continuing. Now find the button element in the design tools on the right side. Click and hold the button, then drag it to the center of your email layout. You should see a visual indication of where the button will be placed as you drag it. After placing the button, click on it to select it. This will open up additional settings and options specific to that button. Verify that the button is highlighted, confirming your selection. Next, drag the newly added button beside the existing button. You may need to adjust the alignment slightly to ensure they are side by side. Look for alignment guides that may appear to help you position the buttons accurately. Once you've positioned the buttons side by side, take a moment to review their appearance. Ensure they are visually appealing and properly aligned within the email content area. If needed, make further adjustments to their position or settings. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.